Hi everyone, it's another day, another share with Phyllis. That's me from Mad Moody Quilting Fabrics. All right, same theme, different day. I have received a lot of collections since August, and I didn't film for all of August and all of September and half of October. So I'm catching up with some of the new collections that have come in. And this one again is a new design house called Lumin. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I've ordered a couple of things from them this year. My rep brought me, oh my God. So he came in, end of July after his holidays, beginning of August. And, it was a gorgeous day. So we sat out on the deck, and, he thought this was going to be fast, because when I go in to see him, he's one of my reps here in Montreal, and sometimes I go to him, and but this time I asked him to come to me, and that I was really interested in seeing what he had. He brought one suitcase, and he thought, okay, one suitcase, that's going to be enough. She's going to be fine. And he had to show me everything, and I hummed and hawed, and I looked, and I went back, and I looked, and I told him when I made the appointment for him to come, I said, keep your day open. I literally told him, I said, keep your day open, because I am going to want to see everything that you bring. And I hum and haw, and anyways, he did not. He was supposed to be on a conference call with his sister and I guess some other reps or whatever. And unfortunately, he was really late. They were waiting after him because I was buying, so he was going to rush me. But he had to fly out, and he wanted to see my husband. He's been here a couple of times over the last few years, and my husband had just come home from, my husband flies radio controlled airplanes, so he went off before my rep arrived, and so my husband was just arriving back when the rep was leaving. And I'm sure he would have loved to have gone and seen some of my husband's airplanes and stuff, but he was so running late, he had to leave. So, but this collection, he said it was new for them. I don't know if this is a new design house that's just starting out, or they've been around for a little while and it's new for him to be a distributor of their stuff. But I really liked their stuff. So I ordered a few things, and this one that I'm going to show you now just arrived in. It came in at the end of September. And I believe it's a staple. I hope it is, because I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors. And there was more than that. I just, like I said in the past videos, my shop is very small. I only have so much shelving. And so I'm hoping that this is a staple. He told me it was. So I'm praying that he's correct and that he hasn't misread it. Because I think I need to, eventually I'll order more if it is one of these companies' staples or basics. Okay, the company is Lumin Fabrics, White Owl Textiles, and the collection I'm going to show you now is called Stucco, and the colors, the print is really nice. It is a filler. It has the same vibe as canvas, for those who know canvas from Northcott, which I stock also. But here, look at that coloring, and that pattern is so so easy to work with. This is a gorgeous color. I don't know if there's a color. It's called green. Simple. Okay, then there's this one here is called Forest. So it's a darker green. Really, really nice. This one is called Sky Blue. And it does have a sky look, like with the print on it. And like I said, it's called Stucco, but the print is really, this would work really good as a sky in those mural quilts or whatever. This one is called Cherry. It's really, like, the colors, people are kind of riveting to them. This one is called just blue. It's like a royal blue, this one. This one is called Dark Teal. It is a dark teal. Really pretty. The colors are very vibrant. They're not saturated with black. They're pure. This one is Seafoam. That would look great as an ocean surf kind of thing in those mural wall hangings. This one is called Snow. You really get a feel of the print on this one because it really shows up on these lighter ones compared to the darker ones. This one is called Navy. It's a blue, but it's not technically. It's reading more navy on the film, but in person it's got a bit of a tealy, a very dark kind of teal blue. Reads more blue, I'll be honest with you. Okay, this one is called Aster. It's a purple. It's a really pinky purple. It's really pretty. And the last one is called Cream. And again, this one shows up the pattern very, very nicely. So that is it. I only brought in 11 of the colors because my space is very small, and I have ordered a lot that's coming in from now to the, I guess, I still have stuff coming. I've ordered stuff for March, April also. So lots of stuff coming in. If you want to keep up to date with what's in the store, this is how to do it. Subscribe and ring the bell. I do not send out, if you subscribe on my website, you will get an email twice a year to 3 times a year, and those are only when I only send out emails on the website. So to get those emails, you need to subscribe to marketing. But I do not inundate. I don't have time. I don't have time to be doing, and I will not pay somebody to do it for me. So I only send out 2 to 3 emails a year, and that's only when I do a store-wide sale. So if you want to know when I'm having my sales, that's how you figure those out. You get that email if you subscribe and make an account on my website, madmoodyquiltingfabrics.com. You go and you physically fill out an account and click the box for email marketing, and you will only get 2 or 3, maybe 4 emails a year only when I have a sale. That's the only time I send out emails. I do not inundate. I get a lot of emails, and I think sometimes it's overkill when a particular company sends out 2 or 3 emails a day. Like, that's way too much. So, I mean, to me, even once a week is reasonable. But like I said, I will not send out an email more than 2 or 3, max 4, if I'm having a store-wide sale. So that is one way to know what I am when I have my sales. That's the only way you're going to find out if I have a sale, is that. I also announce it on Facebook. Every week I do, on Facebook, I do an announcement on Monday mornings, what the special of the week will be that week. And or you can go to the website on the homepage right at the top. There's a link to go to the special of the week. So those are important things to check out on a regular basis. Every Monday morning we post a special of the week, and it rotates through. So yeah, and I have on the road, you can go on the website to find out what shows I'm going to be at and where I'm going to be. So you can go on the website and go under on the road again, and they're listed. Some of the stuff that's listed are private events. So you have to be a member of the organization to be able to do those. But all the shows are listed there also. I have permanent stuff on sale from 20% all the way to 50%. Those are permanently on sale. I'm liquidating them out, so there's good deals there. So if you want to see more of my videos and keep abreast of what is new in the store, this is the best way to do it, because I launch these videos regularly showing you the new stuff. So we'll see you next week on another day, another share. Happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.